Millions of used clothes enter this factory, but what comes out will shock you. Stay till the end. It's a green revolution.
Welcome to the Ralph Lauren Recycling Factory. These old clothes aren't trash. They're reborn as new luxury apparel. I'll show you every thrilling step.
Millions of used clothes arrive here, each one a new beginning.
Fun fact: over 90% of collected clothes can be recycled. Preemptuous, zero waste goal.
Sorted by color and material, ready for the magic. Smart machines sort thousands of pieces per hour.
Fun fact: AI identifies cotton versus polyester in milliseconds.
Sorted and ready, and 6 a.m. Next is shredding. Shredding turns old clothes into raw fiber.
Fun fact: this step opens fibers without damaging length. Remus, key to quality.
From clothes to fluff, the rebirth begins. Washing removes dyes and dirt, pure fiber ready.
Fun fact: eco-friendly detergents. Water recycled 95%.
Clean and ready. Next is drying.
Drying turns wet fibers into soft fluff. Spinning magic: yarn from recycled fibers.
Carding creates uniform fiber strands, and the tani duda perfect for spinning. Soft and ready for carding.
Soft and ready for carding. Fun fact: recycled yarn as strong as virgin cotton.
Yarn ready pensum. Next is weaving.
Weaving turns yarn into new Ralph Lauren fabric.
Fun fact: this fabric is 100% recycled. Lu, luxury with purpose. Fun fact: this fabric is 100% recycled. Doe, luxury with purpose.
New cloth born, ready for cutting. Precision cutting for zero waste.
Fun fact: Digital patterns save 20% more fabric. Patterns ready, for next is sewing.
Sewing brings new life to old clothes.
Fun fact, same quality as new, but 100% recycled.
New luxury apparel ready.
Final checks. Only perfect pieces ship.
Fun fact, recycled boxes, a or full circle sustainability.
Off to stores worldwide. Babley, green fashion. And that's the incredible 30-minute journey from old clothes to new luxury. What shocked you most, the shredding or the rebirth?
Subscribe now for Factory Unveiled secrets. Hit the bell and share if you loved this green journey.